So a is equal to, let's take 8 common, 3b plus 7. Question talks about a, it says nothing about b. So and we have to find the highest common factor of a and b. Therefore, statement 1 can just not be sufficient because there is no information about b. Coming to statement 2, this says b is equal to 7q, where q is an integer. So this means a is equal to 8 into 21q plus 7. Now come to think of it, this becomes 56 into 3q plus 7. So a is a multiple of 56 and b is equal to 7q. Now if q is a multiple of 8, q has an 8 in it, for example, let's say if q is equal to 8 itself, then b is equal to 56, and the highest common factor in this case of a and b would be 56. But if q does not have an 8 in it, for example, let's say if q is equal to 5, in this case b will be equal to 35, and the highest common factor of a and b would now be only 7. So there are multiple possibilities. Statement 2 alone is not sufficient. Combining the two, a is equal to 8p doesn't add any value, because a is equal to 56 into, this is an integer, 3q plus 7. If a is equal to 8p, it only means that p is equal to 7 into 3q plus 7. It is not adding any practical value, so combining is of no help. Combining also doesn't help. Answer is option E.